So this is fourth equation of motion we will derive from integral calculus method. So we'll begin with V. Velocity is rate of change of displacement. So this I have written, velocity is the rate of change of displacement as per definition of velocity. As per definition of velocity. Now V dt would be ds. So we'll open V using first equation of motion, that is u plus at into dt equals ds. Now we'll separate the terms u dt plus at dt is equal to ds. Now integrating both the sides, we'll put integration sign with each term. Let us write down the terms. It's u dt, u and dt. There is no term of t, so I'm writing t to the power 0. Here it is a t to the power 1. It is 1 already. Okay, and here we have only ds, so I'll write here s to the power 0. Now we'll mention the limits. Limits we will mention from n minus 1th second to nth second. Time ki limit of time is n minus 1 second to n seconds. N minus 1 seconds to n seconds, like 4 seconds to 5 seconds. Okay, and here we will mention like from 0 to s, or you can say s distance covered in distance covered in n minus 1 to distance covered in n seconds. So now we would do integration. See, we know u will come outside. 1 power of t would be increased and divided by increased power, so divided by 1. Limits are from n minus 1 to n. Similarly here, a outside, 1 power would be increased divided by increased power. Limits would remain as it is, that is n minus 1 to n. And here also 1 power is increased divided by increased power. Limits as it is. Now we'll substitute u as it is. In place of t we will put upper limit, that is n, and then minus lower limit, that is n minus 1. Then second term, 2 will come outside. This 2 would go outside. In place of this t we'll keep upper limit, that is n square, and then lower limit, that is n minus 1 whole square. Here also we'll keep upper limit, that is distance covered in n seconds minus distance covered in n minus 1 seconds. Let us substitute, let us open the bracket now. U sign will change because here negative sign is there. So minus n plus 1 plus a by 2 n square minus, you can open the bracket, it is a minus b ka whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Let us denote this quantity by s. So n is cancelled, so it's u. Here it is a by 2. Now we'll again change sign because negative sign is here. So minus n square minus 1 plus 2n is equal to S. So U plus A by 2, n square is cancelled. So it can be written as 2n minus 1. So this equation is your fourth equation of motion, and this is equation for distance covered in nth second. Fourth second, third second, fifth second, nth second. So S here stands for distance covered in nth second. So now we know that fourth equation of motion is S equals U, that is initial velocity, plus half A acceleration to n is a second, number of second, okay, minus 1. So we'll see some example based upon this. Let us see this question. A body covers 12 meter in second. It's not written 2 seconds, right? It's not 2 seconds. If 2 seconds is written, we'll use second equation of motion. Okay, but right now it is written second. So we'll use fourth equation of motion. That is S is equal to, या फिर Sn equals U plus A by 2 2n minus 1. So n is here 2 second. So we'll substitute. This is 12. Distance is 12. Initial velocity is fixed U. Acceleration is A. And n is given as 2. So 2 into 2 minus 1. That is U plus A by 2. 2 into 2 4 minus 1 3. So it's 3 I'm writing here. So my equation is ready as 12 equals U plus 3A by 2. So this is my first equation. Now we have and 20 meters in 4 seconds. Similarly, here you will substitute 20. Here you will substitute 20 and 4th second here 4 here. So that equation would be 20 equals U plus A by 2 2 into 4 minus 1. So it's 20 equals U plus A by 2. So you can see it's 8 minus 1 is 7. This is my second equation. Now I can solve these two equations for U and A. For example, we can subtract first equation. So minus, matlab, okay, 12 equals U plus 3A by 2. So now we can subtract. So U will be cancelled. 12 minus 20 minus 12 is 8. And 7A by 2 minus 3A by 2 would be 4A by 2. Okay, that is 2. So 2A equals 8. 8 equals 2A. So it means A equals 4 meter per second square. A found. Now A you can substitute here. Substituting in 1. So it's into 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2 6. 6 will go that side, so it will be subtracted. and this was equal to, so u will be 6 meter per second. We have found initial velocity and acceleration using fourth equation of motion. Now what is the question? How much distance will it cover in 4 seconds after fifth second? So after fifth second, 4 seconds after fifth second, we have to find out the distance covered in 4 seconds after fifth second. Okay, fifth second, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth. So we can find out the distance till this and till this. Okay, so now I need the distance covered in 5 seconds. So I am saying 5 seconds, that is a period of time. So I'll be using second equations. Distance in 5 seconds. So use second equation and find out distance traveled in 5 seconds. UD plus half AT square. So you have as 6, time is 5 plus half, A is 4, time is again 5. So it's 6 5 is 30, 2 2s are 4, 25 2s are 50. So distance in 5 seconds, don't say it fifth second, say it 5 seconds, is 80 meter. Now find out the distance in 9 seconds. Again it's a period of time. So you'll be using second equation. So S9, distance in 9 seconds would be equal to UT. UT is your 6, U is 6, time is 9, plus half, acceleration is 4, T square is 9 square, यानी कि 81. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, so it would come as 54 plus 162. So sum is 216. So distance covered in 9 seconds is this, and distance covered till 5 seconds, first 5 seconds is 80. So you can see in the next 4 seconds you can subtract. So distance required, the distance that you require is distance covered in 9 seconds minus distance covered in 5 seconds. So you can subtract 216 minus 80. It will come as 136 meters. This is the answer. Let us see the next question. A body covers 10 meters a body covers 10 meters so distance is 10 meter in second. So you use the formula Sn equals second is written, 2 seconds is not written, so we'll use fourth equation, U plus A by 2 2n minus 1. So distance is given 10 meters, U is U, A by 2, and second means in place of n you will keep 2. So you can see it's 2. So it's 10 equals U plus 3a by 2. This is your first equation. Now 25 meter in fifth second. So 25 meters fifth second. So it is U plus a by 2. 2 into 5. 2n minus 1. So it's 10 minus 1 is 9. 25 equals U plus 9a by 2. So these are the two equations. You can solve these again and you have to find out how far it will go in 7th second. So you have to find out the distance traveled in 7th second, and then you can see distance you have to find in 7th second. So directly solve 1 and 2, find out U and A After finding out u and a, just substitute in this u plus a by 2 2n, that is 2 into 7 minus 1. Just substitute value here and check whether answer is coming this much or not. Okay, let us see the next question. A body covers 4 meters in third second. So simple. 4 equals, that is S equals U plus A by 2. So plus A by 2. 2n minus 1. N is 3. So 2 into 3 is 6 minus 1, that is 5. So it can be written as U equals U plus 5A by 2. Now coming to next. 12 meter in 50 seconds. So you can form the equation again. So it will be U plus A by 2. Now 5th second. So 2 into 5, 10 minus 1 is 9. So it is plus 9A by 2. Okay, again you can, like, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. You can bring 2 down here. So 4 equals U plus 5A by 2. So minus minus minus, subtracting. So U cancelled. 4 minus 12 minus 4 is 8. 9 minus 5 is, because A by 2 is same, so 9 minus 5 is 4. So 4A by 2. So A is coming as 4 meter per second square. You can substitute 4 here. Okay. So that will be 4 equals U plus 5 into 4 by 2. So 2, this is cancelled. So 5 into 2 is 10 and 10 would go that side. So U is coming in minus, that is okay. Initial velocity can come in negative. Like velocity is a vector quantity, so negative sign can come. So A and U we are ready with. We have to find out the distance traveled by the object in 12th second. Sorry, not this question, the previous one. Yeah, we were doing this. How far it travel in next 3 seconds. So next 3 second after what? So we don't know. So after 5th second. Okay. So the question is, how far will it go in next 3 seconds after 5th second, if it is not mentioned. So you will find out the distance up to 5 seconds, distance in 5 seconds, distance in 8 seconds, and you will subtract. But then to find out the distance in 5 seconds, you would use second equation of motion, not fourth. It's not 5th second, it is 5 seconds. So ut, so you will take u with sign. Okay, and time, u with sign is to be taken, please keep this in mind, and time is 5 plus a, मतलब half a t square, so half a t square is 5 square, so 2, 25 to the 50, 50, and this is minus 30, so it's 20 meter. You get distance in 5 seconds. Now similarly you can find out distance in 8 seconds using the same. So minus 6 into 8 plus half a t square. A is 4, you can see here a is 4, so, and t square is 8 square, that is 64. 64 into 2 is 128. 8 square is 64. 64 into 2 is 128. And this is minus 48. So you can see this is coming as 80. So now you can subtract both the distances. That is the distance covered in next 3 seconds. So you can see the subtraction will come as 60. So answer is 60. Let us get to next question. So let us see this. An object is moving with uniform acceleration. Its velocity after 5 seconds is this. So velocity after 5 seconds. So let us say it starts with u. Okay, initial velocity is u, acceleration is a. Okay. So velocity after 5 seconds So यानी कि velocity after 5 seconds is v is equal to u plus at. V is 5, u is u, and a is a. This is after 5 seconds. Sorry, it's 25, so I'll write here 25, and this is 5, so this can be written properly. 25 equals u plus 5a. This is equation number 1. Now its velocity after 5 seconds is 25, and after 8 seconds is 34, so you can substitute here 34, and it is after 8 seconds, so u is u, and it's 8 seconds, so this is equation 34 equals u plus 8a. Now this is equation number 2. 1 we can subtract here. 25 equals u plus 5a. Subtract, u cancelled. 34 minus 25 is 9. 8 minus 5 is 3. So acceleration 3 cancelled. 3 3 is a 9. So acceleration is coming as 3 meter per second square. Okay, but then you can substitute this here to find out, sorry, here to find out u. So 25 equals u plus 5 into 3, that is 15. 15 will go that side, so it will come as 10. U will come as 10. So u is 10 meter per second. Now what is the question? Find the distance traveled by the object in 12 seconds. 12 seconds is point of time. 12 seconds, so we'll use fourth equation of motion. So Sn equals u plus a by 2, 2n minus 1. Substitute here u, which is this. Acceleration is 3. Acceleration is 3. U is 10. N is 12. Substitute and you can find out the answer, and you can match the answer with this value if it is matching or not. Let us see the next. So let us see this question. If x, y, z, x be the distance described by particle during pth second. So we'll use fourth equation of motion. X is the distance covered in pth second. So equation would be u plus a by 2, 2p minus 1. This is my first equation. Now y is for qth, so you will write here y, u plus a by 2. Now it is qth second, so it is 2q. In place of n, you will substitute q. This is my second equation. Now z is the distance in rth second, so it will be z equals u plus a by 2 to r minus 1. This is third equation. So all three equations are ready. We have to prove something. Okay, you can see here it is written q minus r. So r needs to be subtracted from q wala equation. So we'll subtract third from 2. So we will subtract third equation from 2. So let us subtract third equation from 2. So it's y minus z, u cancelled, a by 2 common. So upper term 2q minus 1, and then lower term with sign change, minus 2r plus 1. This is a subtraction, 1 cancelled. So it's y minus z equals a by 2, 2q minus 2r. So I'm taking 2 common. So it's q minus r. So I'm ready with this thing. 2 cancelled. So y minus z comes equal to a, or you can say a goes down, sq minus r. So I'm ready with the value of q minus r. Similarly, I'll be obtaining, as per the required question, r minus p. That is, p equation needs to be subtracted from r. That is, 1 should be subtracted from third. So I've shown you how to subtract. And I've subtracted second equation from third. Sorry, third equation from second. I got something. I followed the steps. You follow. Obtain such a relation. Look here. We have to obtain r minus p. So p needs to be subtracted. यानी कि first equation needs to be subtracted from third. Subtract. Obtain the value of r minus p. Similarly, we need to find out p minus q. यानी कि q needs to be subtracted from p's equation. So subtract second equation from first up, second down. Obtain value of p minus q and then substitute in left hand side. Let us see. Okay, so to obtain r minus p, we have to subtract p from r, that is p ka equation I am writing here. First equation I am writing. Then I will subtract. So it is z minus x. U cancelled. A by 2 common. Upper term as it is 2r minus 1. Second term will be written with sign change. So 1 is cancelled. So z minus x is coming as 1 is cancelled. 2r minus 2p, 2 common, 2 will be cancelled by this. So it will be coming as a into r minus p. So z minus x by a equals r minus p. So I'm ready with this value as well. Now third value would be, you can see I need to find out p minus q. What would be p minus q? It will be same as what we are getting for rest of the two. So p minus q would be, though you can subtract and check, you have to subtract q equation, that is second equation, from first, and you will get the answer as 2 will come down, 1 will be up, so it will coming as x minus y upon a. I've seen the similarity in this and this, so I've written that also. Okay, but you need to do. So I've written p minus q is x minus y by a. P minus q is x minus y by a. So what do we need to prove this equation? So pick up the left hand side. Q minus r into x, r minus p into y, and p minus q into z. So we will write q minus r into x plus r minus p into y. This was left hand side. I am picking only left hand side, which is to be proved, plus p minus q into z. Now we'll substitute the values. For example, r minus p, you can see here it is z minus x by a. Substitute z minus x by a into y. Okay, p minus q की value कितनी थी? You can see that too. It is x minus y by a. It is written here. ठीक है? And similarly, the value of q minus r is, you can see q minus r is this y minus z by a. So let us substitute y minus z by a. This is x. LCM is a. So simply you can multiply xy, xz, yz, xy, xz, minus yz. So you can see yz, xy, xy, xz are cancelled, so it is 0. So yes, left hand side is equal to 0. Practice these numericals.